Lesson 9.4, volumes of prisms and cylinders. So we're going to cover a fair amount of material in a short amount of time because it's what we engineers call plug and chug, meaning once I know the data and I know the formula, I just plug in the numbers and crank it out. So here's a prism with base edges 5 and 6, height of 10. The volume is just length times width times height. 5 times 6 times 10, 300, and it's units cubed. We're not going to worry too much about that, but if it was inches, it'd be inches cubed, feet cubed. And that's it. There's nothing really flashy about volume of a prism. Now we do a similar thing with a cylinder. So we have a radius of 3 and a height of 6. We do the same thing. Up above, we did the base area, and we just set its length times width for the base. Here it's a circle, so the base area is pi times 3 squared, which is 9 pi. And then the volume is just that base area times the height. Which is just 54 pi. And again, units to the third. Inches cubed, meters cubed, centimeters cubed, whatever you've got. So that's it. That's volume of a cylinder and volume of a prism. Now we just keep rolling right forward. We've got volume of pyramids and cone. So make our square pyramid. And I meant to make a height of 3 here, so we'll fix that. And I drew in my half the base edge 4 there. I didn't need to, because again, the volume is just the base area times the height, but in a pyramid, we go 1/3. That's just the way it is. The volume is actually 1/3 of everything else. So 1/3 base area is 8 times 8, and the height is 3. These cancel to make this very easy math. 64, and again, units cubed, inches cubed, feet cubed, whatever you got. Now I asked for the slant height, so we might as well put it in. But I wanted to be clear, we don't need it. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so simple enough. We only need the slant height if we're doing surface area. If we're doing volume, don't need it at all. Same exact formula. Volume equals 1/3 base area times the height. So radius 7, height of 24. We know the slant height is 25 because it's a 7, 24, 25 triangle. Or if you like, 7 squared plus 24 squared, square root equals 25. But we don't need it. We do not need the slant height. We only need it if we're doing surface area. So this is a common mistake. Just keep it simple. It's right there. That's it. Now we have one new thing here. Sphere. To make a sphere, make a circle. Give it a belt. Give it a radius. In this case, we're going to call the radius 5. The total surface area is simply 4 pi r squared. Which will get you 100 pi. And again, this would be units squared, inches squared, meters squared. And the volume is 4/3 pi r to the third. Which I believe will get you 500 pi over 3, and again, units cubed, inches cubed, feet cubed. That's it. That's volume and total surface area of sphere. It's all plug and chug. There's nothing radically complicated. Might get a problem where we ask you for certain aspects, but if you remember all this, you should be fine. Good luck.